Hi everyone, this is the third project in Bedford Road which we bought for one of our investors. It's a 2-bedroom flat which we managed to get it 25% below the market value. Yes, it is a little bit dated, but with a good windows, and we are going to keep that, but the rest our investor decided to do a cosmetic refurb. We just picked up the key today and the work will start shortly later this week, and it won't be a long project because it's general tidy up, and hopefully within 2 to 3 weeks it will be ready for rental. I know from the fact that our investor was very happy to get this flat because he already owned another 2 flats in the same block, and we actually managed to secure the purchase of the 4th flat, which another investor of us bought it. So very excited to start the project here, and soon we'll update you with the transformation videos. Have a good day. Bye bye.